Who am I? Hi, my name is Kaaleeraq Semsen. I'm 33 years old. I come from Greenland.
By the way, I will say this about Greenland. We need Greenland from a national security.
We moved to Denmark when I was 11 years old. It was with my brother and my mother. Our other brother moved after us 1 year later. It was a completely different reality we come into. From speaking your own mother tongue to first translate into my own head before it came out of my mouth. It took some time before I finally dared to open my mouth and start managing my own life. So here I am, 33 years old, 2 lovely children, educated concrete finisher, and just got a taste of life. I hope you will join me on my journey and see what happens in the future. Until next time.